At number 1, we have the Afina A01 shower head. This is the best shower head you can buy on the market and stands out for its effective dual-stage filtration system that removes up to 98% of chlorine, heavy metals, and harmful chemicals from shower water. This compact shower head delivers high-pressure performance while maintaining water efficiency, making it suitable for homes with varying water pressure levels. Installation takes under 5 minutes and requires no tools, fitting all standard US shower connections. The filtration technology specifically targets common water contaminants that can affect skin and hair health, including chlorine and heavy metals. The shower head features a sleek design available in nickel and chrome finishes, complementing modern bathroom aesthetics. While it offers just one spray setting, its engineering ensures consistent water distribution and pressure. The unit's filter requires periodic replacement to maintain optimal performance, with clear visual indicators showing when a change is needed. The shower head's construction prioritizes durability with high-quality materials that resist corrosion and wear. A notable feature is its compact size, which doesn't compromise on performance or water coverage. So that sums up my top 5